Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn something about circles and its properties and the use of circles in any types. Okay. And I have already discussed about part one. If you have not watched till yet, you can go and watch that. Okay. And let us start. Uh, uh, as you know, the circle is like this in a plane, and AB is the diameter of the circle, and OA is the radius, and O is the center of the circle. And then it is called chord is the any point, any line joining between the points in a circle. Suppose that is AB, one is the AB and one is CD, and you can draw any of these chord like this. This is one chord. This is also one chord like this. Okay, and then is the arc. What is the arc? And the arc is the continuous part between points P and Q. See, continuous part between the point. Okay, and this is the center, and x is the angle made between the arc. If arc measures x degree, the arc length will be x degree by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the perimeter of the circle. Okay. Keep in mind the arc length is this. Okay. And the next is tangent. What is tangent? This is the any line if you draw by touching the point of a circle, that will be the tangent, that is x and y. And if you draw another one, this will be touch here. Okay, this is also a tangent. Then some important theorems about circle. See the figure that a tangent and radius. This is the tangent, two tangents, and this is the radius. The tangent and radius makes 90 degree at this point. Okay, and this is the exterior point. From this point, two tangents are drawn. So the length TQ is equal to PT. Okay, this is also the one properties. And then if you draw one angle from two point PQ, that is a should be same point. One arc this from center and another is from this point S, that is the circumference of the circle. Then the relation between the angle will be the angle POQ will be equal to the twice of PSQ. Okay, of same arc. This is one property. And the next is if AB is the line segment, and if you draw the angle AOP, APB and AQB of the same circle circumference, then all these angles will be equal. Okay, this is another property. And then is if you draw one semicircle, and this is the diameter of the circle, and if you draw these two lines, that should be 90 degree, because their two lines are are drawn to the circumference of the semicircle. Okay, this one another important property. And then is the thing is parallelogram. As you know, the parallelogram is a equilateral closed figure like this, and the two pairs are parallel. This one, and this one. And then is some important points about parallelogram. Their opposite sides should be equal and opposite angles should be equal, and the area of the parallelogram will be the length and breadth, that is the half, twice the half of the triangle. Okay, and then is some laws of parallelogram. That parallelogram laws is the sum of the square of the diagonals. Sum of the square of the diagonals is equal to the sum of the squares of the four sides. Okay, this is one law, and as you see that AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD from this figure, then you can see that if you equate, then thing will be this. Keep in mind that, and then rhombus. As you know the rhombus, this is the special case of parallelogram where all the sides are equal and all the opposite angles are same. This one, okay. And the two diagonals is AC and BT making an angle 90 degree at the center O, and that is the perpendicular. Okay, and it also follows the parallelogram laws. And then some important polygons. See, one is the square, rectangle, and trapezium like this. And the pentagon have five sides, octagon have six sides, heptagon has seven sides, and the octagon has eight sides. Do you know how to calculate the interior angles of a polygon? That is the n minus 2 whole into 180. Okay, this is one important formula you can keep in mind, and n is the number of sides of a polygon. Suppose one is the pentagon if you take and its side is 5, so if you put the thing, the angle is 540 degree, as you know, you get. Okay, and then if you see the octagon n is 8, and the angle will be, interior angles will be 8 minus 2 into 180, that will be 1080. Okay, and if you test the triangle angles, then it will be 3 minus 2 into 180, that is 180, as you know. So all the things I have explained. So thank you. Keep watching.